Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for January 2025. So, let's see what's coming to you. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description. At sa pinned comment, paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video. At comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Let's see, Pisces. Anong energies for you? January 2025. For Pisces. Wow, Pisces. This is your ruler, Jupiter. There's abundance. Masagana. Oh. You also have transits climate. These are changes as well, or may mga parang passing through, no, na may mga dadaan na I feel like ito yung mga dadaan na swerte sa'yo or abundance. Pwede rin meron kang unexpected na good luck na marireceive. You have ascendant, which is about yourself. So, I think, meron ka mga gagawin ngayong January that will bring abundance in your life. Minor changes that you will do. Yung iba, physical change. Like, for example, magpapakulay kayo ng buhok, magpapagupit, bagong hairstyle, bagong outfit, ganon. And let's see what else. Ang ganda nito kasi abundance, oh. There is abundance coming in. Parang meron kayong hinihintay dito. Yung iba may hinihintay na package, padala, galing sa ibang bansa. Ang daming laman ng box. Okay, what else? You have the Three of Swords. Nako, ano to? Three of Swords is disappointment. Oracle of Swords, Four of Wands. Pwede magkaroon ng disagreement, no? Or issue within the family. Kung kayo ay nakatira pa sa inyong family, sa inyong parents. Pisces. What is going on here? Mas may the Tower pa, oh. I feel like meron dito na issue, problema, pwedeng dahil sa pera. Alam niyo yung tipong yes, maganda yung pasok ng pera, may abundance, pero pinag-aagawan naman. Alam mo yung ganung energy. Or hindi na-appreciate. Let's say, magbibigay ka ng regalo sa iba or may mga pabor kang ginagawa sa iba. Pero hindi mo nakukuha yung gratitude na appreciation ng mga taong yon sa'yo. Ang sakit nga naman, no? Ganun. Na naging thoughtful ka at hindi ka naman talaga humihingi ng kapalit na gawin din sa'yo yon. But, yung appreciation man lang, 'di ba? Some of you pwedeng didibdibin nyo to eh. Parang dadamdamin nyo. Kasi someone na parang nalulungkot. Bakit ganito? Kumbaga, you are trying your best to provide for your family or to make them happy. And in the end, hindi pala ma-appreciate. But there's also good news in terms of your finances or related sa bahay. So, kung kayo ay may work from home or may business kayo online or kumikita kayo kahit nasa bahay lang, I see growth, no? Meron ditong magagandang kaganapan, like may mga papasok na income sa'yo. You're going to be very busy. But I think, meron ditong makakapagsalita ng hindi maganda sa'yo. Tapos pwedeng didibdibin mo, ma-offend ka or ma-hurt. Yeah, you might get hurt. Kapag ganun, sabi nga nila, hindi natin kontrolado kung ano yung sasabihin ng ibang tao sa atin. Ang makokontrol natin is yung reaction natin. 'Di ba? How are you going to react with that? Masyado ka bang maapektuhan? Titigil ba yung mundo mo dahil doon? 'Di ba? So, ikaw pa rin naman ang may control niyan. Kasi parang, I'm seeing here na kapag hindi ka na-appreciate, parang feeling mo, wala kang halaga, something like that. Or parang, nawawalan ka ng ng interest na, yung parang nawawalan ka ng motivation. So, kahit na may blessings na dumarating, kung hindi ka naman motivated, 'di ba? Parang paano 'yon? Kailangan rin you have to get out of your head, lalo na kung masyado ka na nag-overthink. But I think meron ditong magpapabago ng mindset mo. Some of you will undergo major transformation or major spiritual awakening, and marirealize mo that you can never please everyone. As long as mahal mo yung sarili mo, you are showing your love, your compassion to others, that's it. Yung iba may bagong trabaho, bagong career path, a long journey, either physical or mental, that will leave you wiser in the end. Yung iba, journey na may pag-travel. Ngayong January, this can also mean na may mga pag-aaralan ka, na parang mental journey mo yan kasi maraming nadadagdag na knowledge sa buhay mo, sa sarili mo. So, this is going to help you na maging wiser. Marami kang time para, maglibang. So, if mabigyan ka ng pagkakataon na may mga free time ka, gamitin mo yon sa, mas may makabuluhang bagay. Kasi hindi mo iisipin na baka, hindi mo akalain na baka doon sa mga activities mo sa free time na yun pala yung magli-lead sa'yo sa destiny mo. 'Di ba? Torch. Spiritual development. See? You are developing spiritually. Kaya may mga ganitong challenges sa'yo. Honor and respect will come to you. Wow. So, maaring you will be recognized. You will be celebrated. Pwedeng ikaw ay merong position, higher position na darating sa'yo. Use your intuition to make beneficial changes. So, magiging on point rin yung instinct mo. Some of you are dealing with a fair man, so maputi. Or white hair, blonde hair, pwedeng matanda na rin. You will receive a gift. Pisces. May marireceive kang regalo from the universe. Something that will make you feel happy. So, babawi si universe sa'yo. Strength. Take time to make clear decisions. Bring awareness and light to the situation. So, yung mga decision making mo, magiging klaro, no? Alam mo kung ano yung magiging best para sa'yo. Shadow work, there are no shadows without light. Yan. So, itong shadow work na to, ito yung mga bagay na yung mga not so good na mga gawain or attitude natin sa buhay that is preventing us from growing, no? So, yung iba sa inyo, you are doing that shadow work. Ano ba to? Para may nakat. May paper cut ako. Sakit. Anyway, ano pa? And then, Phoenix, yes. Empowered. Fire activations bring creative and spiritual freedom. So, yung iba sa inyo, you are going to be more creative. Like what I mentioned kanina, kung kayo ay merong meron kayong libangan, yung libangan nyo na yun, you'll never know na dun pala ninyo maibubuhos yung creativity ninyo, and eventually, this will bring abundance in your life, diba? So, be open to those energies na parating sa'yo. May ma-activate sa'yo na creative talents or skills. Okay, so that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. See you again.